Right on Productions public service announcement.
Please, never touch a power line that's laying in the street. Finally, it's about time we got to this one.
Dude, what are you talking about?
We're at the end of this video series, and everyone knows how much I love electricity.
Don't do it, Rudy.
Oh, come on. I'm a cartoon. I'll be fine.
Yep, you look fine to me, alrighty.